The Vatican is hosting an LG plus Catholics for event. And then in the picture, you see a rainbow cloth draped over the cross. The Vatican will host a so-and-so event next week, welcoming so-and-so Catholics to a prayer vigil at Rome's Gassot Church, themed church, a home for all, starting from the borders, featuring a so-and-so rainbow crucifix. Now, this picture absolutely breaks my heart. You're seeing the most important thing that has ever taken place in the entire history of forever, and it is being covered with something that represented something absolutely beautiful, promised to never flood the earth again. And it was because of sin, and now our world has turned that promise into something else. And it's heartbreaking watching this kind of stuff unfold in front of our eyes, but it's also letting us know where we're at, in a sense, as far as like the prophetic timeline is concerned, because we are seeing men waxing worse and worse, and we are seeing a mixing of things that should never be mixed. Now, if you do a study of things that should never be mixed together, and if you just do a study of that in the Bible, you'll go all the way back. And starting in Genesis chapter 6, you see an improper mixing with the sons of God, the fallen angels, mixing with the daughters of men. That was an improper mixing. And then also on top of that, you have the improper mixing on everything that happens inside Sodom and Gomorrah. You also have the improper mixing with Israel, the sons of Israel, mixing with the Canaanite women. That is improper mixing. And so you have an improper mixing, and now you're seeing what a church that is referred to as the Vatican, who is mixing with what you are seeing in this picture behind me. And this is absolutely tragic. And so I'm not showing you this to discourage you. I'm just letting you know, just so you can understand where we're at, because this is heartbreaking. But all this for me, we are just one day closer to home. And so I want you to understand the severity of all of this kind of stuff. God unleashed some very, very serious judgment on Sodom and Gomorrah for certain things happening within that city, just like how he unleashed a very serious judgment for improper mixing that happened before the flood. And so there's a very serious judgment for improper mixing, and it is still going on today. And so there is a future serious judgment right around the corner, which is going to come in the form of the tribulation.